Dear students, today we are going to see chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. So exercise we are going to start. Before that, some formulas I want to give. Already in the previous video we have seen 6 inverse trigonometric functions graph we have uploaded. I hope you have seen. The continuation exercise 2.1. Before that, few formula I will give. Kindly note down that. First, in the note you just take this. Okay. Some formula. First formula, what is that? Sine inverse of minus theta equal to minus sine inverse theta you will be getting. Understand? And second formula, what is that? Cosecant inverse of minus theta equal to minus cosecant inverse of theta. Same manner, third one, tan inverse of minus theta equal to minus tan inverse theta. The minus and all will be coming out. This is one pair. For these three things, suppose inside minus will be there, negative will be coming outside. Understand? The theta will be real number here. Real number in the sense, don't think it is an angle, real number. Okay. Instead of that, you can use x also, not an issue. Understand? And fourth one, what is that? Cos inverse of minus theta, if it is there, answer you will be getting that pi minus cos inverse of theta. This will be differ. Understand? Same manner, fifth one, what is that? Sine inverse of not sine, cos I gave, secant will take. Secant inverse of minus theta, pi minus secant inverse theta. And sixth one, what is that? Cot inverse of minus theta, which is equal to pi minus, what is that? Cot inverse theta. Where or here theta is any real number. Okay, va? Theta is any number. Because inverse it will be number only. I told you already. Inverse trigonometric what they will give Raja? Number. So any real number I will mention. Any real number. Okay, any real number they will mention here. Understand? Any it will be in a root or normal p by q form, whatever. Theta will be real. Instead of theta, if you are using x, that is also okay, or y, not an issue, that is our wish. So all these formulas you must know. So this and all you know what we have seen in the normal function, the same thing. But in the normal function, these things will be positive. What is that you have seen? Cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta we have studied. Am I right? In 11th standard we have studied this only. Secant of minus theta plus secant we have seen. But here pi minus will be coming. So first 3 is one pair. Next one portion. Next 3 is one type of formula. Understand? So all those things very important for doing the exercise. We will start the exercise now. Exercise 2.1, let's start. Exercise 2.1. So question number 1, what is given? Question number 1, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So as per the formula, what we have seen that sine inverse of minus x or theta, whatever you can use, I said. Sine inverse of minus x, what are Raja? Minus sine inverse x. That means here what you will be getting, Raja? Minus will be coming outside. Then sine inverse of plus 1 by 2. Have you remember for what angle? For what angle you will be getting 1 by 2? In a sine, for what angle you will be getting 1 by 2? 30 degree. 30 degree in the radian, what you will say? Pi by 6. That's it. Pi by 6. That's it. Over. Like that, the second one. Okay, second one. They are given that cos inverse root 3 divided by 2. Here no minus, directly we can write answer. For what angle you will be getting root 3 by 2 da? 60 degree. Okay. Cos 60, 30 degree only. Means pi by 6. Cos 60, 1 by 2 you will be getting. Okay. Right. So cos inverse of root 3 by 2 in the sense pi by 6. Understand? Next third one. What is that? A cosecant inverse of 2. So where you will be getting cosecant cosecant inverse of 2. For what angle you will be getting 2 in a cosecant? 30 degree, okay, means pi by 6, understand, means sin 30 1 by 2 da, 1 by 2 reciprocal 2, so that pi by 6 da. So directly we can write like this, or else you can check the domain first. Suppose domain na, sin domain we know, domain what, minus 1 to plus 1, this number must be belongs to in the domain. So if you want to write that domain, you write domain, what is that, equal to, you know, minus 1 comma plus 1. So the inside number should lies in the domain, it is there, amava. So here minus 1 by 2 belongs to in the respect domain. If it is there na, directly you can write, or else you want to simplify the question. And here also root 3 by 2 na, root 3 means 1.732, when you divide by 2 it will be 0 point something you will be getting. So also will be belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1 da. Like that all those things you can say. Cosecant inverse real number minus what is that, open interval minus 1 comma 1. So 2 is a real number, not an issue, understand. Like that if you want you can write this and all since formula. So all the three, okay. Next I am going next to so this is also the same only, they asked to find what actually in the previous page. See here, find the what they have mentioned, find the principal values, okay, find the principal value. For fourth one also same principal value only they asking. So that tan inverse of minus root 3, have you remembered the formula? Tan inverse of minus x equal to what pa? Minus tan inverse x. Understand, this formula only I am going to use here. So that minus tan inverse root 3. For what angle you will be getting root 3 pa? Yes, so that pi divided by 3. Minus pi divided by 3 is your answer. Like that fifth one. Fifth one what? Cos inverse of minus 1 divided by 2. Here the formula cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Have you remembered this? Okay. So this one I am going to use here. So pi minus cos inverse x means 1 by 2. Minus, here minus will not come. This minus only became positive. To change positive that we are writing pi minus. Understand? So very important this thing. So now pi minus, for what angle you will be getting 1 by 2 in a cos pa? 60 degree. 60 means pi divided by 3. When you take cross multiply 3 pi minus pi divided by 3, which is equal to 2 pi divided by 3. This is question number 5. Next question number what pa? 6. Question number 6. What is given? Tan inverse of minus 1. This already we have seen here. So what is the tan inverse of minus x da? Tan inverse of minus x what? Minus tan inverse 1 means this formula. Again same formula I am using in a 6th. Okay, right. So for what angle you will be getting 1 in a tan ma? 45 means pi by 4. Understand? That's it. So this is all very easy to go the MCQ or 2 mark they will be asking. So next either MCQ or 2 mark they will be asking. Understand? And question number 7, continuation of the principal value. Question number 7 will go, what is that? Secant inverse of 2 divided by root 3. So this is direct value, no minus, no positive, directly we can go. For what angle you will be getting 2 by root 3 da in a secant? Cos you check. Cos where you getting 2, what is the root 3 by 2? 60. No, 30 degree. Pi by 6 ma, for cos 30 degree you will be getting root 3 by 2. Okay, reciprocal of this da you will be getting 2 by 3. Am I right? So that what it will be actually pi divided by 6. Table value you must read. Table value you must know. Table value if you don't know, na, really it is very tough to go in this exercise. Understand? Trigonometric table you must read. You understand? Right. Next question number what Raja? 8. 8 I can start here. There is place. Question number 8 what? Cot inverse root 3. Okay. So where you will be getting root 3 for a cot pa? 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So means pi divided by 6. Trigonometric table, if you know very well, very easily you can move here. Right, question number 9. Cos inverse minus 1 divided by root 2. Here we have to use formula. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus, what is that? Pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x. Understand? So what you will be getting? Pi minus cos inverse 1 by root 2. So pi minus, for what angle you will be getting a 1 by root 2 pa? For cos 45 means pi divided by 4. When you take cross multiply, 4 pi minus pi divided by 4, which is equal to 3 pi divided by 4. Trigonometric table the major role here. Understand? Trigonometric table only doing major role in this. Be careful. So question number 10. 10 is what pa? Cosecant. Yes, wait. 10 na here itself I will do. What is that? Cosecant inverse of minus root 2. So what is cosecant inverse of minus root 2 formula? Have you remember that? Have you remember that cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x. So this is formula for cosecant. Understand? Sorry, cosecant inverse. So what is the value you will be getting here? Minus cosecant inverse root 2. So what is the value pa? Where you will be getting root 2? Yes, 45 means pi by 4. Means what pa Raja? Pi by 4. Again I am telling trigonometric table you have to read. Means in 11th standard we have right, that you have to recall. Understand? Right. Next question number what pa? 11 and 12. Find the values they mentioned. Find the values for 11th one. Question is what? Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Have you noticed all those? Have you noticed? So what all formula we have, you just see children. Here we have cos inverse of minus x. Formula we know pi minus cos inverse x, and one more formula sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. This two formula I am going to use here. The remaining will be normal tables, the trigonometric table only I am going to use. Okay, right, fine. So the answer will be tan inverse of 1. Where you will be getting tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. Where you will be getting pi by 4. And this one what? Pi minus, inside the negatives there na, this formula I am using. Pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Okay, don't say into, it's not a multiply. Okay, right. And what about here? Minus this formula. For this negative is there na, what is that? Minus sin inverse x. Okay, minus sin inverse of what is that? 1 by 2 we have to say. Now we have to go here. So pi by 4 plus pi minus, where you will be getting 1 by 2 in a cos pa? Pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Understand? Like that, minus, where you will be getting 1 by 2 pa? 30 means pi divided by 6. Okay, what is the LCM for all the number ma? 12. Very good. So if you want a 12, what do you want to multiply here? 3 multiply divided 3. Here 12 multiply divided 12. Understand? What about here? 4 multiply divide 4. What about here? 2 multiply divide 2. Whatever I mentioned in the red color, kindly use a pencil for that. And here what? LCM is at 12. 3 pi plus 12 pi minus 4 pi, 2 into pi, 2 pi. Okay? Now simplify. First add positive numbers. 3 pi plus 12 pi, 15 pi. 15 pi minus 6 na what ma? 9 pi divided by 12. You can cancel this. What is, okay? Yeah, 3 3s are 4 3s are. So what is my final answer then? Yes, 3 pi divided by 4 is my final answer for a 11th one. 2 mark. Understand? Okay, 2 mark. Next 12th one. What is that? Cos inverse 1 by 2. See, if you want to give bracket, you can give, or else not an issue. Negative na they will be giving generally. 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2. So for what angle you will be getting 1 by 2 for in a cos? 30, 60. Now only we have seen here. Pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3 you will be getting plus 2 into, for what angle you will be getting 1 by 2 pa? Pi by 6. Now only we have seen this. Okay, what is that? Pi by 6. So pi divided by 6 you will be getting. Now you can cancel this. 1 2s are how many 2s are pa? 3 2s are. 1 2s are how many pa? 3. Now denominator 3 is the same. Have you noticed it? Denominator 3. So 1 pi plus 1 pi you will be getting 1 pi plus 1 pi, which is equal to 2 times pi divided by 3. Understand? This is a 12th one. Next. Wait ma. Next. 2 MCQ we have in this. 2 MCQ. See children, what is question is given? Sine inverse x is equal to y. Okay, sine inverse x equal to y. Have you remember what is the domain and range for this? What is the domain? Yeah, minus 1 comma 1. Domain means what I said. This is x. X belongs to. Domain means what pa? X belongs to. And range means what pa? What is that? Yeah, minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, which belongs to y. Okay, see the option whether they are talking about x or y. See here y. What they are talking about? Y. So y na the range we have to take. Closed interval means what it mean pa? Closed interval na what it mean pa? Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to. Equal will come. Okay va? Closed interval means equal will come. Y less than or equal to plus pi by 2. What is the option pa? What is the option we have here? B option. B option will be satisfying. Understand? Okay. The last MCQ in this exercise. Yeah. Right, fine. What is that? Tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. So that tan inverse root 3, we know normal value. What is that? Pi by 3. For 60 degree you will be getting. But secant inverse of minus x is equal to what we know? Secant inverse of x equal to what we know pa? Pi minus secant inverse of x. Have you remembered this formula? Have you remembered this formula? That is I am going to use here. So that pi minus secant inverse 2. Okay. So that pi by 3, pi minus, for what angle you will be getting 2 in a secant pa? Pi by 3. Tell me, for 60 degree you will be getting this, right? Take a simplify here. What you will be getting then? Pi by 3 minus pi, minus into minus, plus pi by 3. LCM if you take a 3 na. So what we can do here? Multiply 3 and divide 3. Do it in a pencil I said. Okay, and don't forget. Next up I will take here. So divide 3 na. What is that? Pi minus 3 pi plus pi, which is equal to 2 pi minus 3 pi na minus pi by 3, means option B. Okay, answer B option we are getting. Have you understand children? Okay, so this is about the principal value. Formulas which I gave in a first page, if you are clear, really it is very easy to go. Understand? I hope you understand all those things. Thank you children. We will see in the next video. Bye. Take care.